Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to use WhatsApp on two phones with same number without WhatsApp Web. Can I use the same WhatsApp account on two phones without WhatsApp Web? How can I use WhatsApp on two devices with same number permanently? Can I use the same WhatsApp account on two phones? The answer is yes. You can use the same WhatsApp account on two phones officially install WhatsApp on two devices with the same number. Here is how to use WhatsApp on two phones with same number without WhatsApp Web. Firstly, you need to remove the SIM card from your second phone. Install WhatsApp from the Play Store on your second phone. Please note that if you already have WhatsApp installed on this phone, uninstall and reinstall it. Now open WhatsApp on your secondary phone and select your language of choice. Tap on Agree and continue. Press the three dots in the top right corner of your screen when you're prompted to enter your phone number. Then tap on Link a device. You will now see a QR code displayed on your phone screen to your primary device. To scan this code, now open WhatsApp on your primary device. Press on the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Select Link Devices. Now proceed to link a device. A QR code scanner will now appear on your screen. Scan the QR code on your secondary phone. The best part is that WhatsApp on both devices will work independently. What this means is that even if your primary phone is not connected to the internet, you can still use WhatsApp on your secondary device via an active internet connection. This is the easy way to use WhatsApp on two phones with same number without WhatsApp Web. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to hit the like button below the video and share it with your friends.